Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the exciting world of interior design as we transform this master bedroom ceiling into a stunning focal point. We have an array of components to work with, so let's dive right in and create a beautiful and functional space. Before we begin, gather your tools and materials, measuring tape, ladder, safety gear, and of course, our components like ceiling joists, rafters, trusses, drywall or plasterboard, and wiring and junction boxes. Our starting point involves creating a solid foundation. Measure and mark the locations of ceiling joists, rafters, and trusses to ensure structural integrity. Next, install a drywall or plasterboard for a smooth and even surface. Don't forget to position the wiring and junction boxes for lighting and fan installations. Now, let's add some character. Attach decorative ceiling beams to create a rustic charm or use crown molding for an elegant touch. These elements frame the space beautifully. Lighting can transform the ambience. Integrate recessed lighting fixtures for a modern look, or hang pendant lights and a chandelier for a touch of luxury. Consider positioning them over key areas, like the bed or seating. A master bedroom should be comfortable year-round. Install a ceiling fan to keep the air circulating. Ensure proper ventilation by incorporating HVAC vents or ductwork, seamlessly blending functionality with design. Safety is paramount. Install smoke detectors and a sprinkler system to protect your space. These features provide peace of mind while maintaining the aesthetic appeal. Bringing the outdoors in is a trend we adore. Skylights flood the room with natural light, creating an inviting and serene atmosphere. Now it's time to add your personal touch. Apply paint or texture finish to suit your style. And for easy access to the attic, install an access hatch or stairs, ensuring functionality without compromising design. To optimize the room's acoustics, incorporate acoustic panels. These not only improve sound quality but also serve as decorative elements. Don't forget insulation for thermal comfort and noise reduction. And there you have it. Our master bedroom ceiling has transformed into a masterpiece, seamlessly combining design, functionality, and safety. Remember, the key to a successful interior design project is to blend your creativity with practicality. Thanks for joining me today, and happy decorating!